This is about 10 seconds after I last recorded, now everything's come back on. Oh look. Oh yeah, my soundbar starts to turn itself on. When it first comes up in the mains.
Right, I'll leave that there. I'll blow the candle out.
Yep.
Just in case it goes off again, alright love?
Yep, okay, Wi-Fi was booting up. And so it's the skybox.
They're not bothered.
Nah, they don't care, do they?
Because they can see in the dark.
Yeah, phone's back on. So, what happened is, basically it's just a low voltage. No stuff on standby, as my mum said. You probably, was it recorded, Mum, when she said that? No. But stuff on standby came on, because there's just low voltage coming into the house. Oh, street lamp's back on now. If you look out there, you can see. Yeah, there we are. My extension lead lights are now back on. Fascinating, actually. And there we are. There we are. That's a rather short power cut here in Fratton, Portsmouth.